assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, today I'm going to share my lunch recipe, which is coconut rice. Okay, if today is your first time, you are welcome. Okay, so let's get into the video, but then don't forget to subscribe. So lovelies, I'll quickly run you through my ingredients. Okay, so in here I have my coconut milk. All right, here is my sliced onions. Okay, this is one medium-sized onion. Okay, and here is my green pepper, my yellow, some carrots, and some red pepper. So basically these are my diced ingredients. Okay, so there is some mackerel. Okay, mackerel fillet. You can use tuna, and here is my group of spices. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using for now. So here is some chili powder, some salt, some aniseed. Okay, there is some garlic powder, some black pepper, a seasoning cube, some mixed spices, and my ginger powder. Okay, so basically these are my ingredients. Okay, so if I use anything extra, I'm going to put you in the notice. All right. Okay, so let's begin. So guys, this is the rice I'm using. Okay, this is exactly 3 cups. Okay, so I'm just going to wash it and allow it to drain by the time my fried recipe is ready. All invited. Let's have some lunch. So guys, thank you so much for watching.